Alright guys, just want to do a quick video here. Got the fender flares put on the truck, and I want to show you what's going on the truck next. So these are the RBP Stealth Power Steps. This one here is the extended drop, and RBP hasn't made these for about 2 years due to a lawsuit with AMP Research. RBP steps have dual motors. AMP now come out with a version that has dual motors. One of the fairly common questions on these is people wonder how pronounced the Rolling Big Power logo is on the running board itself. And I'm not sure, it's hard to even see on the camera here. But right there, it's like a nice, kind of not ghosted, but kind of. So you got kind of a matte, like a really heavy matte finish here. And then this is just like a little bit of a shinier matte finish. It's the best way I can explain it. So it's not real pronounced. Hopefully you can see it better that way. But the steps look like real nice quality. So I am just gonna check underneath the truck, make sure I can get these mounted up, make sure I got the mounting holes underneath there. I ordered these back in May, and I took delivery of them about 2 weeks ago roughly. So I'll be getting them put on about 2 weeks from now. All right, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna try and get this one uploaded before Christmas. So as you can imagine, this is a 8-inch lift, 37-inch tires on 2012 3/4 ton Dodge Ram diesel Cummins, and it's a pain in the butt hopping up into there. Like, I'm 6'2", and I struggle getting up into that thing. So anyway, long story short, I ended up ordering the RBP Stealth running boards because they had the dual motors when I was researching versus AMP Research, which only had single motors. However, now AMP makes the same style with dual motors, so they both make them with dual motors, which helps out for cold climates like this where you got snow everywhere and cold and slush and ice and all that good stuff. But so I ended up actually installing the RBP boards myself. It took a while. I'll maybe show a little bit of the video and the install of it. I'm not going to bore you with all that, but it is doable. Just take your time, and if you're a little bit mechanically inclined and don't mind running some wires, I did have to tear out all the interior driver's side seat, center console, and passenger seat to run the wires underneath. All right, so I am putting on the AMP Research steps. Got the whole truck, pretty much the interior dismantled, so I can run the wire up under the driver's side, connect it over in here to passenger side. So yeah, fun. But that's what we are doing. We're just about there. Just got to run the wires, hook up the little sensors right here by the doors, and put everything back together, and then we're done. Yeah. The carpet and stuff, and yeah, so just super happy. I saved myself a bunch of money by installing them myself. Got the Alpha Rex taillights on here, looking freaking nice. I love those things. Got the AMP Research drop step here. We're hopping up into the tailgate. Got my backup lights, which I'll do another video on them here after a bit. But let's show you the RBP Stealth running boards for how well they work. So they're just wired up for magnetic switches, back door, front door, so no matter what door you open, it drops down, and it only drops down on the side you're opening the door on. So here we go. Let me shut off my wipers here. I had snow on the window. But there you go. And that's the extended drop there. So before, I had to step all the way up into here, and then now I step down here, and the difference between there is 13 inches, so it's a little over a foot drop compared to where I'd be at before. So it's a lot nicer drop. We'll try these out this winter. So far, like I say, it's about 3 below today. Seems to be working pretty darn good. Then we'll close that up. Gives it a couple seconds and up they go, which is really nice. And then the other nice thing is those steps do have LED lights. The steps do have LED lights on them for when you go to hop in or out. I'll try and get some video of that. But yeah, super nice steps, guys. I'm not sure what else to say about it. Oh, they have a toggle switch that I also wired up in here that you can shut them off. So if you want them to stay down, just hit this switch, turn them off. Oh, I guess they'll stay up, whatever. So then that way they'll just stay up no matter what you do. That way they don't hit on anything. And if you flip it on, it'll come back down. So that's a nice handy feature. But yeah, they seem plenty sturdy. Definitely make it a lot easier to jump up in and out of. So I'll show you, I'll set up my GoPro on the ground here and show you what it looks like with me hopping in and out with the step versus without. 6'2", you can see that step right up to my waist basically. Definitely like these steps, guys. Highly recommend them. Motor here, LED here, another LED here, and at nighttime those do light up really good. So yeah, so if you guys have any other questions about the RBP steps, leave a comment down below in the description and I will try and answer them. So hope you like to look at them, but RBP Stealth Steps are back. It's been about a 2-year absence, maybe a little more. It took me 5 to 6 months before I finally got mine. So be patient if you did order them. They're a little bit hard to get, just like anything nowadays, but definitely well worth the wait. So, all right guys, we'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna go get some drone footage of this bad boy. Try to.